In the world of modern manufacturing, where precision, speed, and innovation define success, Phillips Machine Tools stands as your trusted partner by delivering complete end-to-end solutions that empower manufacturers to go beyond limits. Backed by over 60 years of credibility, Phillips has earned the trust of industries across the world. With a strong global footprint across India, the USA, Asia, Africa and the Middle East, our presence ensures we are always technology ready for our customers. At Phillips, we go beyond machines. We deliver solutions. Our technology portfolio spans the full spectrum of modern manufacturing. From traditional metal cutting to next-generation additive manufacturing, metal forming and automation. With advanced CAD/CAM, metrology and digital solutions, we infuse intelligence and precision into every production line. Phillips empowers some of the world's most demanding industries: defense, aerospace, medical, die and mold, energy, heavy engineering and transportation. Through innovation and partnership, our technologies drive precision, productivity and performance, powering progress across every sector we serve. Our new Manufacturing Expertise Center at Chakan, Pune serves as a hub where technology, knowledge and capability all come under one roof. From concept to commissioning, we help manufacturers innovate, optimize and achieve excellence. All this has been built to strengthen India's manufacturing ecosystem with world-class capabilities in new product development, assembly and testing, and repair and rebuild, a true reflection of our commitment to providing end-to-end manufacturing excellence. Inspired by India's national vision for self-reliance and global leadership in manufacturing, the Phillips Manufacturing Expertise Center stands as a symbol of progress, building from India for the world. Phillips Machine Tools, precision in every process, innovation in every idea, and partnership in every success.